right now we are at the Saraswati Pranganam, and here this is how the ground looks like, and the programs are continuously happening over here, and simultaneously just beside or just adjacent to the stage you can find all the commercial stalls on the right side as well as on the left side, and just opposite to the stage you can find the Pyramid Spiritual Society movements or different organization stalls. So this is how the commercial stalls looks like. So people who are coming here to attend this event can have a look at all these commercial stalls. You're going to find many variety of things over here which you might not find in the city. So do come and visit all these commercial stalls. All these commercial stalls are at the Saraswati Pranganam, just adjacent to the stage here. So on the right side you can find different stalls, as well as on the left side also you can find a lot of stalls. Friends, these are all the commercial stalls here at Mahila Dhyanama Chakram 3 2021. So you will find a variety of pyramids, handloom products, organic products, and there are a lot of stalls, book stalls, and all the stalls you can have a glimpse of it, visuals that you are seeing on the screen right now. So these are all the commercial stalls that we were talking in the preparation video. This is how it looks now at day 3 of Mahila Dhyanama Chakram 3 2021. So one of the famous magazines of Pyramid Spiritual Society's movement is Dhyana Jagat. Hearing about Dhyana Jagat from a very quite long time. It is one of the favorites of all the masters across, because the magazine covers a lot of experiences, Patriji's messages, quotes, and a lot about the spiritual journeys and all about spirituality. So this is one of the famous book of all the masters who love to read this book from across the globe. And Dhyana Jagat is a Telugu edition of PSSM magazines. So now we are at stall number 97, which is for Dhyana Jagat magazine. So people who have missed few of the editions of Dhyana Jagat, they can find it over here, and you can also find the new editions over here. So do come at stall number 97. Now we will be talking with one of the members of Dhyana Jagat magazine, and we'll get to know more about when Dhyana Jagat magazine was released, launched, and more about Dhyana Jagat, and also about this stall which is at Mahila Dhyanama Chakram 3 2021.
Good evening, friends. I am Ravinder Rao speaking on behalf of Dhyana Jagat magazine, working as PRO. This magazine is being run past 20 years, which covers spiritual masters' experiences, spiritual articles, and our Patriji's quotations, and also his tour diary. And we are promoting to take the Dhyana Jagat magazine, and we are publishing all the programs which are being programmed here up to last year, and we are also promoting masters articles during the program. Thank you.
This area is spread into so many acres, and usually we find it difficult to find different things over here, but here at Mahila Dhyanama Chakram 3 2021 it is perfectly segregated into different stalls so that you don't find it difficult. So right now I am at stall number 73, and this is for the paid accommodations, the people who have done online booking, and also for the people who want to do spot registration for their accommodation over here. And this is for the paid counters. Though we have a free accommodation at Saraswati Pranganam, this is for the paid accommodation, and there are different facilities for the people who are going to pay for their accommodation. So this stall, that is the paid accommodation stall, you can find it right opposite to the stage, and also you can find it through the right opposite to the Maheshwara Mahapyramid. So here you can find paid accommodation as well as the online booking. So everyone who had done their online booking already can come over here and can get their queries cleared.